So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel. So let's start. So first, click the link on the description and it should bring you to this page. Now, once you're here, click on 30-day free trial and fill out this form. Now after that, just click on go to step number 2. And it is going to give you your trial detail. So here you can choose which one you want. If you want to start with a starter plan, or you want to start with high level unlimited plan or high level SaaS Pro plan. So all of these plans comes with 30-day free trial if you use the link in the description. Now once you choose your plan, just enter your card information right here, and after that, click on start your 30-day free trial and follow the prompt and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Remember to click the link in the description box and follow the instructions. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.